everyone, Miss GoElectric here. Now, I've pretty much tested out every kind of EV and e-mobility product, but there's one that I haven't tried yet. And thanks to MagWheel, I'm gonna have my opportunity today to test out for the first time an e-mobility device that has just one wheel. And I actually saved this one for last in the season because this is probably the most dangerous one. So wish me luck and let's see how it goes. Now I asked MagWheel to send me the most powerful product that they make and a couple accessories to go along with it so I can carry it around with me. So this one includes a fender and a bag to carry it. Now let's open up the box and see how it's packed. This bag here that is packaged on top is gonna hold the MagWheel when I'm ready to transport it after I'm riding. It's gonna keep things clean, so if I wanna put it back in my car, I don't have to worry about it dirtying up my car. It also has some pockets in here, so I can bring the charger with me in case I get where I need to go and I need to have extra range and charge up while I'm there. I like the fact that this has the carrying straps here because it is kind of awkward to carry around, and this is gonna be really helpful to make it easy. Now I've noticed here that the styrofoam piece on top to protect the board was actually shaved off on top, probably to fit the bag in here. And although that was effective to get the bag in here, it is really messy. There's little pieces of styrofoam everywhere. So I don't know if that's how they always do it or if they just did it in my case, but it's messy nonetheless. Right on top here, there is an instruction manual here. And so far it looks like there is really nice, clear instructions and technical information, how to start riding, how to take care of the board, and a lot of really useful information. So this looks like a really great user manual. Next, on one side is what seems to be the charger here. Yep. And this looks to be a 2-amp charger. It is a 420 watt-hour battery, so it should be able to fully charge between 3 and 4 hours. On the other side here, there is a handle that has Velcro straps. It looks like this is gonna be able to mount to the board and I should be able to carry it if I don't wanna use the bag. And then it looks like they sent me a little Christmas gift. I believe this is an ornament, a Christmas ornament that has some pine cones on it and a bell and a bow. I wish there was some kind of MagWheel element to it, but that's cute nonetheless. And it looks like I have some leftover Halloween stickers here. Halloween night party, candy, and a ghost. Now I'm not sure if they give this to everyone or if they're just giving it to me because I'm reviewing this, but I'll take it nonetheless. Okay, let's take this styrofoam piece off and pull out the board. All right, this is 37 pounds and it definitely feels like it. MagWheel offers 3 different versions of the Trotter and they can range anywhere from $750 up to about $1,300, which is what I have here with the T3. Without the fender, the water that you ride through is gonna spit up on you, so I think it's well worth $59 to buy this fender and keep you protected. This T3 here has a 1500 watt motor and it has a battery that is 420 watt hours. Now this will be able to get you anywhere between 18 and 21 miles of range and it can hit a top speed of 21 miles per hour. I've seen a lot of people riding around on devices like these on my e-bike group rides, and actually my buddy Ryan from the Kilowatts has one and he loves it. He rides all around San Francisco up and down those hilly roads with them, and this one actually can climb 30-degree hills, so I'm really excited to try it out. But I do understand there's a learning curve, so I'm ready to hop on this thing and test it out. But before we do that, let me talk a little bit more about how this works. These silicone foot pads have sensors in them, so it's gonna detect whether or not you're standing on it, and then it'll keep you level. You can actually pick 5 different color options for these silicone pads as well. On the front and the back of the board here, there are a series of LED lights, and depending on which way you're traveling, they'll either turn into a headlamp or tail lamp. All right, before I go riding, I wanna make sure the tire is inflated enough, and on the side here, it says 22 PSI. So I'm gonna use my Fantic to do this. This is a great tool, I use it all the time. I'll set this to 20, and we'll just double check to make sure. we have it fully inflated. All right, it looks like it's reading 9 PSI, so let's bump it up. All right, I know this is gonna take some learning, so let's get it out there and try it out. I think I found a pretty good place to practice out on this MagWheel T3 because this is an area that has really squishy, soft ground. So even if I fall, I should be all right. MagWheel says what you want to do is put your foot on the back and then position your front foot forward and then allow the board to balance out. So let me try that. They also say it's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes to try to get good at this or comfortable. All right, attempt number 2. Now, I don't snowboard or skateboard, and keep in mind the T3 is the most powerful one that they sell, so I'm gonna attempt one more time by myself, but they do recommend for your first time to have someone else try to help you, so I might have to get to that next, but let's give it a try. All right, there's a lot of power moving back and forth, and it's just really hard for me to balance because I'm not used to this, so I'm gonna have producer Tim come out and help me try to balance. Okay, so I definitely recommend getting someone to help you to initially start balancing on this, and then you can slightly tweak with each foot which direction you want to go, and then start to move your ankles back and forth to kind of carve a little bit so you can turn. I'm definitely going to have to get used to this, and I'm going to keep trying, but I really want to get to a point where I can mount on it myself and start to slowly move so that I can get up to speed. So if you turn too far or you jump off of it, then it's gonna cut power because you're more than 45 degrees. They actually say in the manual to straighten your legs. I've been at this for about 10 minutes and now I feel comfortable mounting by myself. Now it's just a matter of keeping balanced and learning exactly how to use my ankle muscles to manipulate the board to turn and slow down with the pressure that I'm putting on either side if I want to go forward, back, or just stay in one spot. I'm going to try to make it all the way across. This takes a lot of ankle strength. I wasn't expecting that, but I get a little nervous when I'm trying to move my foot into a more comfortable position. But I think I'm getting the hang of it. Well, I've been riding around on the MagWheel T3 and I feel pretty comfortable on it. Every time I lose control, I hear a beep and the motor cuts off. And I've done that about 100 times. And I don't feel like anything unexpected is happening. It's really intuitive to learn on this. It seems like the board is really durable, and I've only just scratched the surface on getting this up to speed. I haven't even tapped into the full 1500 watts of power. I'm really excited to learn more about how to ride on this, because once I get it to the top speed, I think it's going to be great performing. Well, this is definitely going to be a multi-part review because I'm still learning how to ride this board, and I need to build up my expertise on it to really provide great information to you about how this operates. If you want to learn more and go to their website, please use the link in the description below, and if you end up buying one, MagWheel might help support the Miss GoElectric channel. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time, drive, fly, ride. Go Electric!